welcome back. Today I would like to introduce to you our new curving machine. The curving machine, this new design 2022 model, it works on vertical and horizontal. So if the roofing seat is small and short, we run with this position. If it's a long seat like 5-10 meter, we will turn the machine up on the side so it can balance the curving machine, and it can punching more accuracy and more correctly. We will show you about a component of the machine first, and then we will test run the machine. Okay, let's do curving machine. We use the profile touchscreen, hoang hand remote control. That's emergency switch we just test, and you can see on the touchscreen. That will show you the check machine problem, because I just press here. It show on the touchscreen machine check problem. It's an emergency switch button. Okay. Now let me release this. There you go. You see, it go back to the normal condition. Or if I press it here, machine stop. So it's showing us the message where the machine problem is. So it's very handy. So just on again, the machine back to normal. Okay. On the left hand side, always we have the power on and off. On the right hand side here, the buzzer is alert to us when the order have been finished, and the power alarm on the left hand side corner, emergency on the top right hand side corner. And basically it's pretty much the same with our roofing machine. So the main function of the touchscreen here, automatic in here, when you have auto run on, off, you have run order. Let's go to the order page. Order page, we have the setting, the profile number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So 4 type of sunshade curving you can choose. If for example I choose this one, so the shape is showing you how to put the order, how many steps you want to run. So the length and the quantity here, quantity you want to put, and then after that go back, and then you press run. So basically very simple and easy to use. Let me show you the inside of the controller box a little bit more. In this curving machine, it doesn't have the inverter, because we use the servo motor, we use the driver of the servo. The PLC again from the cement. Only the difference between the gear motor and servo motor. Servo motor more accuracy and more faster, pretty much more premium quality. So now let we test run our machine for you to have a look. So on this side here, where the place of the servo motor, so we put a cover already, we cannot see, but now we will let test run the machine so you can see the finished product. Okay, we just showed you the demo how it's operating. So basically, because we're running out of time, so we need to wrapping up the machine. So we will ship the machine by Monday for the customer in Myanmar. So thank you very much for your watching our video today, and hope to see you soon. And we're looking forward for our new coming up. The machine behind is a 2020 model, and please follow our channel and subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and put the comment below if you want to test run latest machine, latest design technology of press brake machine. Thank you very much, and see you soon on the next video. Thanks.